Good morning! Today I have a very busy day, so I prepped my breakfast already yesterday evening, but now I'm gonna show you how I make this. For breakfast, I prepped strawberry raspberry overnight oats. First, I added strawberries and raspberries into a blender and mixed until smooth. Then I added all the ingredients for the overnight oats into a bowl. Oats, low-fat Greek yogurt, the berry puree, ground flax seeds, you could replace them with chia seeds, and lastly I add some vanilla extract for flavor. Then I just mix everything together. I divide the mixture into 2 glass jars. I let them set in the fridge overnight. To create a magic shape on top, I melted 80% dark chocolate and then I just poured it on top of the oats and spread it evenly. I let it set in the fridge for about 5 minutes, and in that time the shell has hardened. Such a fun and yummy breakfast. I got the video edited and now we're gonna go for a quick walk. In the evening, we're going to a Coldplay concert. It's their first time they're having a concert here in Finland, and I'm so excited, but it just means that I need to get all my work done before that, and there's a lot to do today. We just came back from our walk, then I quickly showered, and now I'm gonna make a super simple salad for lunch. For the dressing, I just mixed together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Then I add all the ingredients for the salad into a bowl. Lots of arugula, cherry tomatoes, mini mozzarellas, and some chickpeas, quinoa, which is a great source of fiber, and a handful of fresh basil. And lastly, the dressing. Here is the ready salad. This is a perfect salad for summer since it's super quick and easy to make, and the only thing you need to cook is the quinoa. Now I'm starting to edit this video that I'm filming today because I would want to post it already tomorrow, so I need to edit it very quickly. Now I'm gonna prep us some chia pudding that we can have as a snack after the concert. I add all the ingredients into these small jars: chia seeds, milk, a little bit of maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Lastly, I add some collagen powder. Then I just shake the jars until everything is combined. I let the chia puddings set in the fridge. Now we have about 1.5 hours before we need to leave for the concert. So now I'm gonna quickly make us dinner. I'm gonna make chicken meatballs with spaghetti. For the chicken meatballs, I mix together chicken mince, gluten-free breadcrumbs, an egg, chopped fresh rosemary, chopped spring onions, dried basil, dried oregano, and salt and pepper. These meatballs contain lots of herbs, so they are packed with flavor. If you don't have IBS like me, you could of course add some garlic powder to these as well. Then I roll the mixture into 20 meatballs. I heat a pan over medium heat and add a little bit of olive oil. I cook the meatballs on each side for about 2 minutes per side. I pour the tomato sauce that I made over the meatballs before they're fully cooked and let simmer for about 10 minutes. This way the meatballs won't be overcooked. Meanwhile, I cook the spaghetti. And here's the ready dinner. It turned out so delicious.
Uva irta ya tervetuloa kaikille. Welcome everybody. Ole menin ilosia ole sametala somesa. Because this is our final show, the final thing I'm going to try and say and finish is this. Kitos palion kaikesta. Nut tonto koin ole sin sua malinen. Malai no. Nut tonto koin ole sin sua malinen. Okay.
We just came back from the concert and it was amazing, as you could see from the videos. This was actually my second time seeing Coldplay live. Last year my whole family traveled to Zurich to see Coldplay and it was just as amazing this time. Unfortunately this time my whole family couldn't get tickets to the same show. My mom got tickets to the same show but she couldn't get a ticket next to us, so she was on the floor, but she found one of those bikes that give electricity for the show, so she rode the bike the whole show, but a fun way to get a workout in. But now I'm just gonna have the chia pudding as an evening snack, and then I'm gonna head to the shower and go to sleep. I really hope you like this video, and if so, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. The written recipes for the meals I made are in the description box as always. Enjoy!